Hi there! Today we'll bake blueberry scones that are vegan, gluten-free and keto, made without any sugars. Take a large bowl and add in the almond flour, xanthan gum, baking powder, a pinch of salt, erythritol, and flaxseeds. Give a quick mix to distribute the baking powder evenly. Then pour in the vegetable oil and give another stir, rubbing it with your fingertips until the mixture feels like fine breadcrumbs. Now add in the almond milk and the blueberries. Work everything into a compact dough. You can refrigerate the dough for 10 to 15 minutes to make it easier to work. Now, roll out the dough in between two sheets of baking paper. Shape it into a disc 2 cm or 1 inch thick. Cut out the disc into 8 slices. Now transfer the scones onto a baking tray. Cook the scones for 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or at 390 degrees Fahrenheit in a static oven. Once ready, leave them to cool down and harden on a wire rack. All done! Time to enjoy the scrumptious keto blueberry scones.